Hey, what's up? My name is TechJockeyHD, and this is probably the only mugshot of me that you would find on the internet. Samsung just wrapped up their 2025 Galaxy launch event, and let me tell you, having access to these devices at the pre-launch event was one of the best tech experiences I've had this year. Now, here's the craziest thing I've learned at this event. The new Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic have ECG features, as well as sleep apnea features that have received medical device license from Healthcare Canada as of September 2024. You know what that means? It means that now these devices should be covered under your workplace insurance. Don't quote me on that, but that's what some of the reps hinted at, which is amazing. In this video, I'm going to give you full hands-on experience with every single device. The Galaxy Watch 8 series and the foldables Z Fold7 and Z Flip7. Let's dive in. First up, the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic. The first thing that hits you is the build quality. They feel super sleek and with the new cushion design, more ergonomic and much more comfortable on the wrist. The Classic brings back the rotation bezel, which I personally love just because it makes navigating application feel much more satisfying. And it gives the watch that signature Galaxy flair as well. Both come with Galaxy AI and Gemini baked in, which we already know that works perfectly. So whether it's replying to text messages, checking your day, or setting a reminder, it's all hands-free. For the battery, you've got 445 mAh in the Watch 8 Classic and 325 to 435 mAh on the regular Watch 8 depending on the model that you choose. But here's where it gets wild. Advanced sleep coaching is now actually smarter than ever. It tracks how you sleep, gives you detailed coaching, and even helps detect sleep apnea. Plus, ECG, vascular load, antioxidant levels, it can detect them all no problems. All these metrics you should expect from a serious health tracker. Now you have it in your wrist in this new Galaxy Watch. And for the color, the Classic comes in black and silver, while the regular Watch 8 is available in graphite and silver. My personal favorite would be Classic in black color and Watch 8 in graphite. Now, I also got to try out the Galaxy Watch Ultra 47mm. This one is built for the power users. Think outdoor athletes and everyone who wants to have more screen time and more battery. It actually feels rugged, durable, and ready for anything. Here's a quick price rundown of the full Watch 8 lineup in Canada. And as I mentioned, the Watch Ultra tops at $879.99. Alright, now onto the Z Fold 7. This thing actually feels like holding the future. The main display is 8 inches, 120 Hz with a QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2 panels. The cover screen is 6.5 inches AMOLED and everything is sharp, fast, and incredibly smooth. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. Paired with 12GB RAM, storage goes up to whopping 1TB if you grab Samsung.com exclusive. And camera, 200 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 10 megapixel front camera, and an extra 10 megapixel on the cover screen. In short, this phone is also your camera crew. Battery is 4,400 mAh with 25-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless and wireless power share for your buds or watch. Water resistant is rated IP48 with biometric security, includes side-mounted fingerprints and facial recognition as always. Now, if you're more into compact power, the Z Flip 7 is what you should be looking at. The new flex window is now 4.1 inches and it's actually usable for more than just notifications. You can reply to messages, see directions, check schedules, and yes, take selfies with the main camera. Camera setup for this one is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, plus 10 megapixel front camera, all delivering crisp shots even in challenging lighting. It runs on the Exynos 2500, but during my short testing, there was zero lag while flipping between apps and camera modes. Obviously, we need more time to test that particular feature. Battery is 4,300 mAh, same 25-watt fast charging and 10-watt wireless charging. Color choices for Flip 7 includes jet black, coral red, and blue shadow. All of them actually look great in person, and my personal favorite would be blue shadow. Honestly, this event blew me away. This latest Samsung's 2025 lineup shows how far we have come with technology. Watches that help with your health, foldables that feel like mini tablets, and Galaxy AI baked into everything. Massive shout out to Samsung for organizing such a smooth and exciting event. So now it's your turn. Which one are you eyeing on this year? The rotating bezel watch classic, the beastly Z Fold 7, or the sleek portable Flip7? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and if you want to see in-depth reviews and comparison of these, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss what's coming. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, Tech fam.